where do you find contacts or emails? Let's start with a platform like LinkedIn. Okay, so when you come to LinkedIn, you can use the search bar and you will use a word like a phrase like HR manager California. Then you can use filters like this one. You want maybe in Los Angeles metropolitan area, someone who is maybe profile should be in English. Okay, maybe you want people who are doing HR consulting and something like that, leadership development. Okay, so you want to show the results. So you can see LinkedIn will give you all these leads that you can copy manually from page to page. I don't know if it gives you the number of leads, but these are so many leads that you can collect and maybe submit to your client who may be able to have, or he'll be able to contact these people based on their own tools. So your work is simply to collect these leads and organize them into an Excel or Google worksheet.